thing is sexy. To all my air gunners out there, I recommend it. Go get you one ASAP. Wanna have some plinking fun? So this is what the box says. Alright, so yeah, one of my favorite, well now second favorite, since I got the 50. Yes, Lord. Oh, now this is what you call powerful and sexy. You know what I mean? Don't mean to flag you, but let's do a size comparison real quick. So this one, well, you really can't compare the size. You already know which one is definitely, this is a whole gun twice the size of that. See how much that sticks down? Yeah, that's definitely twice as big. The 50. Alright? So that's your little size comparison. It's just too big. Alright? So yeah, one of my favorites because it's very poppy with the semi-automatic. Like, you can literally, fast as you pull the trigger. Oh yeah, also got the safety trigger too. See the safety on the trigger? If you turn that notch to safety, it will not move. Or, like the Glock, it will not depress if you do not press this in. Alright? Get that set. Once you press that, the trigger will go back. So it's empty clip. Let me show you. That's semi-automatic right there. Fast. I mean, pull it fast. Look like a 22 hole in the front, but that's 4.5 mm. I mean, get a little of that barrel. Very nice. See, with an empty magazine, it will stay back, cocked back. All right. So yeah, one of my favorite, second favorite. But wait, this is still a BB gun. So this is still one of my favorite BB guns. Only thing is, you gotta let the trigger fully reset before you